If you're like me and wonder which equipment to buy first to start Mushroom Lab, then this is that equipment. Hi, my name is Firdaus Karim, and in today's video, we'll be talking about Laminar flow hood. But before we start, just a quick shout out that I will leave timestamps in the description so that you can jump around between chapters. And hope you guys can show some love by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. For those who are new to this channel, we are a mushroom company from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And we practice circular economy, whereby our operation is based on spent coffee grounds without the use of disposable plastics. We chose this route because we would like our operation to be environmental friendly with very minimal carbon footprint. And unlike the conventional method of cultivation, where mushroom substrate has to be sterilized or pasteurized for hours on end, we got that part covered with our operation from the process of coffee making at the local cafes, saving us more resource such as time, money and effort to focus on inoculation, incubation and fusion, hence leaving us the need for a laboratory to basically zero. But we are glad to set up a mushroom lab a year ago, completed with a horizontal laminar flow hood, because this equipment alone opened up a whole new possibilities for us, from making our own agar plates to even cloning our own mushroom samples either from the wild or even commercial strains for the purpose of cultivation and also micro-remediation. A laminar flow hood is a carefully enclosed bench designed to prevent contamination when air is drawn through a medical-grade HEPA filter and blown in a very smooth laminar flow fashion. To elaborate, there are millions of particles floating in the ambient air that may comprise of microbes such as viruses, bacteria and many more. And these are not suitable for tissue culture because eventually these floating particles will land on our mushroom samples and petri plates, causing contamination. For this very reason, it is necessary to ensure clean and sterile air flowing over our tools, containers and also specimens. To achieve this goal, we need a proper air treatment equipment such as a laminar flow hood. Therefore, this equipment is a must-have for any mushroom laboratory because aseptic workspace is key to a successful culture. Mycology is the branch of biology concerned with the study of fungi, including their genetics, biochemical properties, taxonomy, and usage to humans. And unlike plants, all this happen at microscopic levels. So, if you're a mycologist, you would be using a laminar flow hood during agar work, tissue culture and also inoculation with aseptic condition to prevent contamination. Before we dive into the working principle, we must first understand that one important component of a laminar flow hood is the HEPA filter, which translates as high efficiency particulate air filter. This device works by letting an inward flow of air passing through a blower or fan that directs the air towards the HEPA filters, and HEPA filters then trap the bacteria and other particulate materials so that the air moving out to our work environment is contaminant free. There are currently two types of laminar flow hood in the market, classified based on direction of airflow and also chosen based on activities performed. First is the horizontal laminar flow, and as the name suggests, blows clean air from the back of the device towards the user at the front. This creates a horizontal airflow of contaminant-free air. And for mycologists who works with mushrooms, this is the type that is the most suitable as it provides the most control over contamination. Second is the vertical laminar flow hood. This device will not only blow clean air from top to bottom, but also recirculates or filters air from the inside out. However, this is most suitable for those working with viruses and hazardous materials, as the device will prevent harmful air away from the user. Now, let us talk about how to work with a laminar flow hood and what we need to keep in mind to have an effective workflow. Though not all have this item, a key point about a laminar flow hood is that they have a UVC light built in. It is there to sterilize the interiors before we use them in order to prevent contamination. So, the first thing that we have to remember is to sterilize the cabinet with UVC light for about 30 to 60 minutes, not only before but also after working with it. Second, UVC is harmful to our eyes and skin. Therefore, it is necessary to keep in mind to switch off UVC light while working with the flow hood. Third, we should always wear gloves and if possible lab coat while working with the laminar flow hood, because most of the time we are the dirtiest thing in the lab and could spread contaminants to our samples. Fourth, we should always maintain cleanliness by further sterilizing using isopropyl alcohol to our equipment, vessels and work area to maintain contaminant-free environment. In fifth, we should always ensure that nothing is blocking the HEPA filter and that movement should be intentional because that may cause turbulence and disrupt airflow, hence causing contamination. If you're good with your hands, then it's better to build one. This way, you will not only saving money but can also create your own custom design that could be as big as you want or even sit flush inside the wall. But if you're like me who happens to know very little about building things, then it makes more sense to just buy one. This way, you not only save time by learning new things other than the already completed mycology, but also have access to the best technology available in the market. For those who are residing in Malaysia, you're in luck, man, because we are offering an ergonomic horizontal laminar airflow that has a minimalistic and clean Nordic design, while still offering all the advanced sterilization function with ample real estate not only to get work done aesthetically, but also to attach other items like an action camera to document your work. Apart from that, it comes with an integrated control panel that controls lightings and fan speed. Along with all this, it also has a built-in UVC light for sterilizing the workspace before starting your daily activities. Furthermore, the ergonomic design will also let you place your laminar airflow wherever you wish, either in your bedroom, kitchen, or even a grow tent. From a consumer standpoint, yes, it is true that you can find bigger dimensions and more advanced models in the market. But they are also non-mobile and can fit anywhere easily, especially if you have a very tiny space to spare. Not to mention they are crazy expensive too. What we are offering is ease of mobility and bang for your buck, because at the moment, it is the cheapest in the market without jeopardizing any vital quality. We have not only used but also improved the model too after 1 whole year of use. And we will provide consultation as well as a user guide manual with every purchase. For those who are interested, there's a link in the description so you can check out and purchase the product in our Shopee shop. Should you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section and I will personally answer each one to the best of my capabilities. So that's it for this video, folks. See you in the next one. Stay safe and much love.